Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your activity goals on Apple Watch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On the Apple Watch, you have daily goals for calories, exercise minutes, and stand hours. Here is how you can adjust your daily goals. If you have the activity ring compilation on your clock face, you can tap that to open the activity app. If you don't have the activity compilation on your clock face, you can get there by clicking the digital crown to open the app menu, and then opening the activity app. In the activity app, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Tap Change Goals. You can now adjust your move goal. This is how many calories you want to burn through movement. Tap Next to adjust your exercise goal. This is how many minutes of exercise you want to achieve each day. For some reason, it won't let me go any higher than 60 minutes. Tap Next to adjust your standing goal. This is how many hours of the day you stand up and move around for at least 1 minute during that hour. Tap OK to finish changing your daily activity goals. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.